Today, we're at a cookout with a whole curry goat, a pig stuffed with rice, lamb,
over 200 bird,
More.
duck, beer can chicken, and so much more. But first,
this is how fresh the thing is. Rusty just a come in. This is how fresh the thing is. Rusty just a come in. We're picking up the fish right now. Wha Gwann, Rasta, manners and respect.
we have some guests that we're doing a seafood cookout for. These guests, can't say the name, they are some celebrity and we tend to keep that very private when we're doing tours or cookings. So we're here at the seaside, we're about to pick up some lobster, some crab, some fish, and anything else we can find. However, everything has to be fresh.
Yes, I got it. No.
What lobster you want?
You want 15 pound? Live and direct. Straight off of the boat right here now. And chef these up. That's some good stuff. I ate that.
Eu can eat. What can you say about Amo? Eh? Into the the next one.
So I go back down there, don't go over.
And next line I
A bag of stamp for that could have rolled with me too, you know.
Huh?
A bag of stamp for that. Alright.
Take up them ammo. Take up them milk.
Let's go see a lion fish in there.
Yeah, me a lion fish.
You want some lion, man?
Take up them man. The doctor them.
Alright, shut up. Say bogus. I ain't get none. So it come now that nice. I say you can't count them all out.
Ah, man, I clean them up when we reach up.
Lobster crab in our one. I crab different from lobster.
Crab different from lobster.
Lobster crab. One. That's well for you.
My general that deal. More side.
Yeah, come on, I'm joking.
Right, all I learn them.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
You can make your ball play a football.
Boy, crab it change you go papa on me. You know?
The 3 first before when I fling over and I boat in Philippines, in a food boat. Alright, camera?
Yeah. People them love see where them food I come from, you know.
Yeah.
I cook for them.
Yeah, more blue pot. I go there, sir. I may explain one more blue pot. I remember by them. I will. Yeah, go then drink it.
Let's switch me go papa. You see, I used to get telling you one because you put 3 fat book and I go to put
Those
2
are
big on our one.
What is name? When you make it?
I want GoPro. Sitting there. DJ.
You want some ice? Them are cool.
That man I say. No man, I show them when I cook for them, we scale it for them and then sit them and see. Everything. Relax, I can't fit in there.
Yeah. That's okay, I lobster in my bag.
Oh, good. Big old group of the boy. The thick, you know. 2 of them thick. They want 10 pounds each.
10, 9, 11.
10 or 11. The first one is 11.
Yeah.
When no.
I mean, man.
Yeah, but touch you just sitting to there.
Boss man. Can't tell nobody.
What I do with that song?
Catch up this summer. I will in there. Why put it?
A bird that?
Yeah. Don't put it on the story.
How much bird is having in that?
Over 200 birds.
Over 200 bird?
More.
You can't put down.
No, everybody come together.
Yeah. Good mixture.
Coconut milk, that thing, boy.
Coconut milk, that, you know.
Coconut milk, you do it, you know?
Yeah, for you.
I want to do rundown bird.
Rundown bird.
Bird smell like, you know.
What's your history? How you start, Papa?
Yeah, man.
If I ask down. Ready again? Ready again, history? Yeah.
So Rasta turn friend. Why like him a bad man?
Oh, that is bird.
Bird. Shoe bird. Well, Rasta, me I go tell no lie now. The eye can cook bird. The eye suppose they can cook pork. Because hear what now? Just say.
Yeah.
Alright, Peter, kill and eat. Kill the beast of the field or the fowl of the year. If you cook the beast of the field, you have buy 5 the beast of the field, you cook the fowl of the year. If these are the fowl of the year, you must can cook the beast of the field.
Nothing wrong with it.
This is a gourmet chef right here. What do you say? You said Danny? Beer can chicken.
Indeed. With nothing like
The gourmet beer can chicken.
A little English Worcestershire.
Worcestershire.
Bless you.
Here to the kitchen.
No. You bird.
Oh, it's barbecue bird or...
Him supposed to be doing something.
Okay. Is that this barbecue bird?
No,
Chicken, I mean. Yeah, the regular bird. The regular bird. Can't tie them thing off, you know. You see how them man are. Them man.
Yo. Big up. Yo, I just don't want him to.
That smell good. That cook well.
Brandon.
It's well done.
Brandon. Don't do the rest of them so much, here. Not fully.
Tender.
Overdone? The rest of them is
Right there.
I think it's perfect.
Hold on.
I think it's
So you have to just take these.
So you go cut up some more. Yeah, the brother. Okay, go on. Cut piece roll.
Cut out 2 man.
Let's take up one. Take up one.
Because this is straight bone in.
Roll, you know for the back?
No.
Good.
Very nice.
This is the one from 2018?
Yeah. Oh man, it's 2020.
Oh, you can't cut.
I got my own bone and even a piece of fat.
Man, take the bone. Chop that tonight. Beer fat on the bone.
Come on here, see him to this side. Come here, man. You come inside the Catholic priest, you see him in turn for yourself? Yeah, right.
Get catch. Watch this now. Watch it.
Distracted.
Oh man. Lambings.
I love lamb. My favorite.
Well, you might have to let me know.
I knew that's what we were gonna say. Oh, it's cracking. That's so cool.
Yeah, man. Birds time now.
The money I mean business.
The lamb is so good.
Where's the band, right?
Eat and thanks. Pablo, what's going on? Yeah, I think I like that style there. Pick right, yeah. We're doing a shuffle. The bird. Yeah, man. The bird is the word. Hot. Hot. You eating? You say Wha Gwann, everybody?
Bye. You eat your bone and then eat your bone.
How is it? It tastes good?
Oh yes.
Boom. Chef, that was good. No, some would have find you around us too, you know. Or Mila.
So funny. That cargo was so good. I made a cargo for New Year's Eve. It was
Don't keep telling me about your cooking and tea. Tell me where you invite me. You know.
I agree with Ken.
Where's the cooking at? Guys, what? Make him not cooking. Where? Make him. He's the two. Okay, let's go one comes to the big one.
What you want?
I choose put next. So take out this one, a big one, and put next.
I want a whole piece of goat that.
Man, put it.
Wow.
Cook it up.
Yeah, man. But you cut it up after I cook.
Yeah, man.
New styles that. Cook it and then cut it up after.
Well, solid and all.
Very active. Very active. Well, not me.
So I'm happy.
Me that? Yeah, man. Me not take no bun up, you know. Hot. Oh.
I'm gonna serve that first.
Hot. Yeah, but a little more seasoning, but tender and nice.
No, you can't make that happen. This is work? Right, that is good, Danny. Chris, you're right.
Yeah, man, Chris can't
taste the cracking.
No, I don't taste anything yet.
You can like yourself. Matthew, I'll get it.
I want to see that crack.
Sorry, I need this.
Ask you about the video?
Put the big camera down for today. I want to eat everything.
That's not like really price.
No. Robert.
Hold on. Oh, take the pork and drop one. Come on. Really? I don't eat pork.
Hey, right? The people that in that line know that two over here too.
You want that? I wanted to get to the pork, like the part that the skin part was spicy. That part, yeah.
I love skin.
Pressing
Yo.
marinated the lamb fat and
Poached lamb fat.
poached.
Poached
Wow.
lamb fat. And a bit of pimento leaves.
I gotta try that. What's going on? What's going on, Martin?
Lights already.
Careful, Jude.
I want to try this.
Duck. Duck? Yeah.
First about 6 slices earlier.
Wait, no. First 2 slices, the beef is ready.
It's magnificent.
A little bit too overcooked.
100% overcooked, but
What is that?
Yo, Jenner, yo. Yo,
flavor
boy.
is nice.
Yo.
Hey, let's show you a picture with us.
Look at it. It's not over, you know. It's just all. I just all ancient it, but some of them.
Whoa, we can't have that on the camera.
Cut the strings, cut the strings.